the bowlers getting some movement earlier on. Straight away. Off the mark.
Get the single, all the fielders up in the circle.
In the air, that's a half-hearted shot. He didn't really get it on the bat. Didn't complete the shot. Just lands in the vacant zone. A couple of runs added. Ball.
Yeah, that's not the right line. He knows that he's getting the ball to swing back a long way.
Excellent, excellent ball. To end the over. Shot. Shot.
And then he has just smashed that through the offside. It's well played. That's the kind of player that he is.
Catcher is the call, but it'll be wide of the fielder at mid-on. This time it's Shazib. It was too full.
If I just get enough bat on it, nobody back on the offside. Hit myself a boundary. That's well played.
And he will keep hitting boundaries. He just makes it look so easy, effortless.
Minimal foot movement, but look where he's hit the ball. He's made sure the ball's gone right under his eyes and then just opens the face to get it through the gap.
Top edge. This should be taken. You want to win this? Don't drop it. Oh.
Ali Razak, this is pretty simple. Hasn't had the greatest time in the field. No, simple catch. Really should have been taken.
Wow, that was hit hard. Good that...
Over. Been dispatched through the offside. This is too full and straight. And back past the bowler.
Again, upish in the air, but just passes the vacant area. You just get a feeling that it is getting stuck in the surface a little bit. Because that catch that was dropped. Okay, so this is... it's tough to explain these. Oh, is he gone? This looks like trouble.
Home comfortably, and he is. It's good glove work, by the way.
That's not the first time he's done that. Ideally, he should be behind the stumps.
Yeah!
Finds a gap. That's a nice looking stroke. Entices the big shot. Doesn't have the distance.
The fielder saw it late. He started running later. This was a big opportunity. Went begging. Just look at that.
And he goes for it once more. Nails it better this time.
It was right from the middle of the bat. It was in the arc this time. Not a very good delivery.
Way too short. And in the gap.
It's not an easy shot to play off the back foot. Flat six. Straight down the ground. One of the shots that require most power.
Nicely played.
And you can see in the body language of the fielders now.
Get it!
Return catch. Taken.
Very good delivery. Lots of revolution on the ball. He played it too early.
Picked up. And this will just race away for his second 50 in this Pakistan Junior League.
Easy pickings. You got that fine leg in the circle. Why would you bowl that? Just flicked it over that fielder, the tallest man in the league. Even he could get a hand to it.
Oh, he just gets rid of that left leg and another boundary.
Even the first ball with the fine leg up, he bowled it on the legs, and this was easy pickings once again. The mentors. That's a boundary.
Could be out. He's out, caught.
He just hit a boundary, but this time he's found the fielder. He's hit it straight down his throat. It's a good catch taken by Basit. You don't want to drop. We've seen a lot of those in this tournament.
Catch it.
This one was sliced past Zishan, who was in the circle.
There's never any way that he would have chased that down. Going hard at it.
This one sliced away to Zishan. He takes it. You wanted him on a couple of overs ago. He's the wicket taker.
Trying to go hard at it. I understand that they're trying to finish this off, eyeing better run rates, but yes, there will be moments where he'll have to probably cost a wicket or two. Good catch that. Farooq has to walk back, 7 of 7.
Gone with the slow ball, and he gets the results. That's a wicket, another one.
It's the slow ball. And just held on the surface. George Thomas threw the shot before the ball's there. The Mardan Warriors. He's played well, 58 and 39. Mardan 118 for 4.
Dug in short. Well, he created an opportunity in that first over. Chance wasn't taken. Ali Razak put it down. Was there an edge? Was there an edge? He believes so. That's another good result for the Royals.
Zishan doing the job that the captain needs him to do at this stage of the innings. He's tried to get himself out the way. And it's just brushed the glove, I think, on its way through to the keeper.
Wild swing, no contact. Yeah, don't do that to me. I'm really in form at this time.
Well bowled, it's a good length. Just a bit of nip off the surface away from the right-hander. Nazar.
Oh, fumble. Allows for a couple runs, maybe 3. They go for it. How costly would that be? Well, the throw was a little bit delayed. The batter didn't look too worried. And as you can see, and we'll get that confirmation of it being not out. Up and over, as you called it. One bounce into the boundary line. That strike coming at the right time.
In that change room now. Good shot, length ball, open to face.
Goes for the lofted drive and nails it. That's a delightful stroke to end this match number 7. It's the wicketkeeper, Dawood Nazar. Dawood Nazar and Abbas Ali both had different plans. The captain with a nice partnership at the end, 20 runs between these two, ensuring that there was no crisis. And they get home for a victory, their second in this Pakistan Junior League.